Hi guys and girls on YouTube, and welcome to my channel. Just a quick video here because I've just come back from holiday. We're talking grande punto, water leaking into the boot. Now anybody who's got one of these will know that after a bit of rain, every time you lift up the tailgate you get water pouring out of these holes here. That one, and if we move over to that side, that one there. Now it does have two drain holes in the boot there and there, but due to the concave or convex, whatever you want to call it, shape of the boot, the water seems to accumulate in these corners and it runs out of these drain holes here. If we just unscrew that, you'll see there's a big hole behind it where that screws in. Well, the water runs out just here. Now in the past I've seen lots of things on the internet where people have tried to cure this. The back window on these actually bonded on, and I've seen reports of people putting silicone down there and silicone down this side in that space where the glass is actually bonded on. Now it's very unlikely that all the cars produced have had a poor bond under there on the window, but unfortunately at the moment with a dry spell there's no way of testing this theory, but I'm pretty confident that what I'm going to tell you here is going to be the cure for getting water in your boot. And it also affects the Punto Evo, because I've had a brand new one of them and that had the same problem, water in the tailgate. After it's been standing for a few days, and when you lift the boot up it all pours out. So let me show you what I think it is. It's another poor design. I say think it is, I'm pretty sure this is the problem, but there's no way of testing it until it rains. So let's just lift up the tailgate. I've taken the back panel off there just so I can have a look inside there and make sure there's no rust in it. Right, so let's start on this side of the car first. So if we look, that's your drain hole there. You can see we've had water under the sealant there, which is probably coming from inside of the tailgate. That will need to be tended to, but I think this is a problem. So if we move down, see, you got your sealant there. If you move down here, we've got panels with no sealant, so we come down there and straight away there you've got a gap where water can come in. We come down further here, there's another gap there with no sealant. There's another gap there with no sealant. Move further down here, right down to there, and if you look there we've got a massive great big gap. You can get your thumbnail and it's that big. There's no sealant in there, so water will run in there. Also down there there's another hole. If we move right back to the back of the boot, you see in that corner there's another hole there where water can get in. Now we move across to the other side, and we have a look again. There's a little bit of a gap there but not much. Move down this side, and look at that there. There's an absolutely massive gap in there that goes straight in to the tailgate. There's another gap there. Come down here a bit further. Right, camera gone out of focus. Come down there and look at that. You've got another whacking great big gap there that leads straight into the tailgate. No sealant in there. That's another one. It's so big that you can get your thumbnail into it. Just see if I can give you a closer view. Can you see that? No sealant at all. And then if we go down to there, the sealant actually starts here. So instead of going all the way round this tailgate, there's another gap there, look. What Fiat have done is they cut back on the sealant. All they've done is seal the bottom edge, and you've got these whacking great big gaps in the panels. So I'm pretty sure that is where the water is coming in on the tailgate. It's nothing to do with this bonding on of the window. So if you've got a Fiat Punto or a Fiat Punto Evo, you've got water in the boot, I suggest that you start filling up these gaps. Alright guys and girls on YouTube, many thanks for watching my video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hopefully I'm going to have some more TV videos soon, because I've got 1 or 2 vintage TVs in for repair. Alright, I'll catch you in the next video then. Goodbye.